This is a video tutorial from IT for Medics. So today we're going to learn how to find duplicates between two tables. So this is in the situation where you have one table with a load of data and another table, and you want to find out which values in the first table are also in the second table. So what we have here are two tables. So we've got table 1 in this tab here and table 2. And in table 1 and table 2 we have a list of patients, and they will have a patient ID. And what we want to find out is from table 2 which of these patients are also in table 1. So which of table 2 are duplicated in table 1. So the way we do that is we first insert a column. So I'm going to right click on the A and I'm going to click insert, and it inserts a column here, and then I expand this column to make it a bit bigger so it's easier to work with. And then I type in a formula, so equals, and then the word match, and then I hit tab, and that adds an opening bracket. And what I need inside this formula is a lookup value, so a value we're looking for, and the array in which we're trying to find the value. So firstly, lookup value, if I click in this cell here, this is what we're trying to look for, and I click comma, and then I go for my array. So what I need is, what I'm trying to do is find this value in table 1. So I go into table 1, and the array I want is this patient ID column, so I highlight the whole column, and then I put a comma after this, and I want it to match exactly, so I need to put a 0 after this comma, and then a closing bracket, and then I hit enter. And the other thing I need to do quickly is to add dollar signs. So I need to add a dollar sign before the A, a dollar sign before this 2, and then another one before this A, and one before the 151. And what that does is it anchors the array, so as we drag this formula down it doesn't move the array that we're looking in, which is really important. So then I press enter, and we have this number here, which shows that this is in table 1. Now to move this formula, so to drag this formula down, I can either physically drag it down and it will copy the formula and it will work for every row, or I can just copy and paste. So I can right click and click copy, and then I can drag down and click paste. And so here you'll see the formula is copied all the way down. So if I look down here, aha, there's an NA. And the NA means that it couldn't find this value in the other table. So if there's a number, it means that this number is duplicated in the other table. If there's an NA, it means that it couldn't find this number. And this means this is a unique number to this table and isn't in table 1. So in this video we learned how to find out if a value in one table is also in another table, and we did this by using a match formula. Okay, thank you very much, goodbye.